All right. Chat. Good evening. Good evening, good evening, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Holy. Holy chat. How we doing? How we doing? How we doing? How we doing? We got Big Frank. We got Tris. We got Trader 007. Dahid. Trader's Nest. Chris. Zimdia. Bielka. Mama Bear. Holy. Hola. Hola chat. Holy. How we doing, bro? Huh? Happy Tuesday evening. It's an absolute banger. My volume's low. Got you. One sec. Hold on. That better? That better? It should be good now. Well, let's let me run that intro back then, huh? I feel like we got to run the intro back. So let's run it back. Big Frank, Tris, Trader 007, Shahid, Trader's Nest, Chris, Cynthia, Bielka, Mama Bear, Gringo. Holy. What's up, chat? Good evening. Happy Tuesday evening. We got Peak Perform. Holy. Holy, chat. Yo. Let's make some money tonight, chat, huh? What do we say? Let's make some money, chat. You know, listen, I have a candle on my desk. See that, chat? When the candle's lit, you know, the vibes are high. You know what I mean? When the candle's lit, the vibes are high. So we're trying to really have some vibes here, chat. You know what I mean? Needed. Only Tuesday. I feel like the market did so much. Yeah, that's facts. I mean, shit. I mean, if you look at the chat, hold on. If you look at NASDAQ, bro. If you look at NASDAQ, look at this, bro. The NASDAQ dropped from IB high, right? Dropped all the way down to 220. That's a 733 point drop. The initial balance we had on NQ chat was 483 points, bro. Holy. NQ just absolutely just got smoked today. Absolutely just got absolutely cooked. Your energy during the TRADEIFY stream was more serious, the wise mentor kind of, and your energy now is like the big bro who want to teach us trading. No, my energy, like I was kind of down. I was working on stuff because we were having stream issues, and so like I couldn't be like both my full energetic self while trying to fix the stream at the same time. It was weird. Like we were having such big tech issues. And so I was like, I felt just very thrown off. Normally this is how I am, but on TRADEIFY stream though. I don't change for nothing, bro. I don't change for nothing. Except Ninja Trader. I'm getting better at Ninja Trader. Just Ninja Trader streams are a little bit different because it feels more serious. Like I feel like I have to be more serious during Ninja Trader streams. But I don't know. I'm trying to get them warmed up to the real me. You know what I mean? Trying to get them warmed back up, baby. Zimze says, holy, we back on. You absolutely correct. Peak Performe. I tried some longs back into IB range, but didn't work. How do you filter those kind of trades? I mean, there really is no real filter. There's not a secret sauce to filtering that. You know what I mean? There's finding a way to strategize it and create a systemized approach to how it works for you. And you just follow that every time. But there's really no like secret sauce. For me, it's there's a little bit of discretion involved, right? If I'm trading the initial balance, I'm looking for failures or breaks back into the IB after breaking out. There's a lot of discretion involved. You know what I mean? So I'm trying to see like how strong are we getting back into IB, right? If we're showing a lot of signs of strength, then I'm gonna take the long, right? And so it just kind of depends. There's a lot of context to take into account there. So it just depends. There's a lot of context there. Why is my shit not loading, bro? Come on now. There we go. So yeah, just kind of depends. What are we trading today? Gold or MNQ? Probably gold, to be honest. Probably trading gold. I really want longs. I feel like we're gonna just absolutely shred face on gold. So I really want to catch longs. Also, chat, we're doing some giveaways tonight. We got some giveaway accounts. We're doing a giveaway for the people who used code JM in January, right? So we do that giveaway every single month. If you use code JM and send me a screenshot, that enters you for a free straight to funded account. And we're doing another one here for the YouTube chat. So if you're here on YouTube watching the stream, we're going to do one for you guys as well. Somebody says, welcome to Asia. Holy, you're absolutely correct. After 11, it was all slow selling. Today was a day to throw your buy button away. Yeah, facts. It actually was, which is crazy because I made money buying. What kind of edge will report do you use the most? Usually initial balance. Usually an initial balance report. I also like to look at like what days has the most volume typically over a 6-month period. If I can see that, that's a really good one to look at too. Real good. Chat, it's nice to be back on an Asia stream. You know, I've been gone. I've been in Miami, so it's nice to be back in the Asia stream. You know what I mean? Nice to be back. Holy. Gold is getting ready to looks like it's getting ready to rip. Honestly, trying to get back into the 5,000s on gold. We'll see if that happens or not. If you haven't already, do me a favor, hit that like button. Let's get the likes up on the stream. Helps out more than you may think, and it's absolutely free to hit that, to support like that. So if you could just do me a favor, if you haven't already, smash that like button. Just helps me out a little bit, you know. Helps out the stream a little bit. Chat, just so you guys know, the green streak is still alive. I know a lot of you guys have been following along on the green streak that we've had so far. We're 46 days green in a row, chat. 46 days green in a row. That's just crazy to me. I mean, it's crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy that we're 46 days green in a row. This is for this month so far. February starting off hot. We're up about $1,000 from February in the personal account. January ended off on an absolute banger. We made 9,400 in the personal account in January, all green, and we've just been absolutely just crushing this. November, December, January, now February off green. So we've been absolutely crushing it. Seeing if maybe we get to 50 days, chat. I don't know. Maybe we get to 50 days. Maybe. If we get to 50 days, I'm going to have to do something special. You know what I mean? I'm going to have to. I have to do something special if we make it to 50 days. Which now I probably just jinked myself into not making the 50 days. No. No. 50 days is crazy. Yeah, 50 days is absolutely insane. Like a 50-day green streak is wild, chat. I don't think y'all realize. Like that's wild. There goes gold popping these highs here. Looking like gold is going to get back in the 5,000 shot. It just seems like it has a strength to do it. Looking like we're going back to the 5,000s. Hey, what's up, my dudes? How we doing tonight? What up, bro? How is Spanish lessons going? Good. Good. I'm at the end of my boot camp, so now I just got to keep now I just got to keep it up. You know what I mean? So I just got to like book some like classes each day and just continue to practice, continue to get better every day. You know, but other than that, I mean, it's going well. 46 green streak is not a joke. No, I mean it's a hard thing to do. Wow, look at gold ripping here. Right back in the 5,000s, chat. There it goes. I mean, yeah, even a 30-day green streak is hard to do, but we're doing the best we can. Doing the best we can. You know, it's even more crazy. 50 green days and no buy my course link. Yeah, exactly, bro. I don't even have a course. No course. Hey, we got Anthony. What up, Anthony? Don't run this streak during Asia. No, we're not. We're the personal account's locked out. We're not touching the personal account. We're only trading prop this evening. Only trading prop this evening, Anthony. We're keeping the personal account nice and locked up for the night. It's gonna sleep well. It's gonna sleep well tonight. So am I. But yeah, if we do get to 50, bro, I'm gonna do something special for you guys. Look at gold just absolutely ripping up here. We got back in the 5,000s. Got to have a nice little top here, 18, to see if we can pop through. ATR on gold right now is 7. Let's zoom out and take a little look here. I mean, gold has room to the upside, chat. Gold has room to the upside. So we're just gonna see how far this takes us here. I mean, if gold's gonna be bullish, chat, I don't mind trying to find an entry on gold. The problem that I see the most with gold is when it gets on a ripper, it gets on a ripper. Like, it's hard. Sometimes it can be hard to find an entry. You know, when it's on its move, just like now, right? When it's on its move in either direction, you know, the pullbacks are very minimal sometimes. So it's really hard to get a good entry. But when you get them, it's a blessing, though. We'll see if we pop this 18 up here on gold. I would like a pullback to try to get in long, but I don't know what gold, if it's going to give us the pullback. People are trying their best to fake counts on XL courses. Meanwhile, Joey is on beast mode, not selling anything the real deal. Appreciate that. I appreciate that. Yeah, I don't have anything to sell you guys, man. I just trade. I just trade. The only real money, I mean, like I said, the only money I make outside of trading is like just partnerships that I have, like, you know, with trading, and then also like affiliate stuff. That's really it. But I'm only affiliated with one firm, so I don't really push many firms. I'm only affiliated with TRADEIFY, and so outside of trading, that's really the only income. Yo, Bielka, appreciate that. Thank you. But I have partnerships, you know. I have partnerships with NinjaTrader. Shout out Anthony in the chat. And then, like I said, affiliates. So that's really all. Man, you guys are too kind, bro. Appreciate you. You guys are too kind, man. Y'all are too kind. Y'all are too kind, baby. It's the candle, chat. It's the candle. The candle's bringing all the vibes tonight. You know what I mean? It's bringing all the vibes. Look at gold here getting up to 18. Trying to pop this top here at 18, bro. Gold just on an absolute ripper into oblivion. Buying a pullback, Hunter, I'd love to. I would love to. I want to get long, but so far, no pullback. And like I said earlier, that's the thing with gold, man, is once it gets on a heater, it gets on an absolute heater. It's hard to catch a trade when gold just starts moving. Chat, I actually don't even know what this candle smells like. Hold on. Okay, yeah, that's fire. Hold on, what is that? Aspen plus fog? I don't know what that means. Yeah, that smells good. Chat, I don't know about you guys, bro, but candles on the desk while you're working, it's a vibe. I would encourage you to try it. Candle smells like gold. I love it. I love it. Dude, they're a vibe, bro. I mean, you just sitting here like you're looking at monitors, you know, lights are off, got lights in your face as well in the camera. And it's just a vibe, you know? You just sit here, look at charts, let's study the charts a little bit. Light up a candle, get some good scents flowing, you know? Get the good scents flowing in the air, chat. It is an absolute vibe. Chat, I think I need to throw it on the story though. Hold on, let me throw it up on the Insta real quick. I think it's story worthy, chat. Hold on. We are live during Asia, watching gold be on an absolute ripper. But the best part of this stream is the candle, chat. It is the candle. Candles bring absolute vibes. Absolute vibes, chat. Nothing else like it. Bang, bang. Insta story. Done and done, baby. Oh, let me throw it up on the Insta chat. Let me throw it up on the Insta. During Asia, watching gold on an absolute ripper, but the best part of this stream is the candle, chat. Is the candle. Candles bring absolute vibes. Absolute vibes, chat. Nothing else like it. We are live during Asia, watching gold. Candles bring absolute. Bang. Going up on the story. That's right. Going up on the story. The Insta story. Chat, if you're not following me on Insta, what are you even doing, bro? If you're not following me on Insta, this is my handle. Iconic Day Trader on Instagram. It's like you don't have enough candles on your screen. You need one more on the desk. Yo, that's facts. I like that. That's right. I like that. That's good. Joey Stream Asia. Wow, yes, that's right. We doing more Asia streams. BM Yoda, what up? What's good, my G? Trader 007, holy. The gang is here, baby. The gang is here. Look at gold, bro. I'm telling you, it doesn't give you any pullback. When it rips, it absolutely rips. It absolutely rips, chat. There's not a thing you can do about it. Looks like all opportunity is gone already in gold right now. Yeah, I'm not chasing it up here. I would like to see this thing pull back, chat. I really would. I would like to see it pull back. I want longs. I'm all in favor of longs, but I need a better entry because chasing up here is just no bueno. Bielka, is that better? Scared to trade gold. I'm only 75 bucks away from passing. Oof. I don't know that I would trade gold being 75 points. Just because even one micro, like with the, well, I mean, the ATR is 6 right now. But I mean, yeah, dude, I wouldn't trade gold. I don't think gold's the play. I think if you really wanted to pass, I would wait till tomorrow and trade like ES or something. Something that's a little bit more clean, a little bit more slower. I would wait till tomorrow morning and trade ES. Can't get enough of it, huh? I can't get enough of you, Mario. I can't get enough of you, Mario. Had to go out today, and let me tell you, it was eventful, bro. Fill in the chat. We all got to hear it. Fill us in. Let us know. Look at this. Look at gold, bro. Just no pullbacks. Absolutely, just rip. Rip, 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 rip. I have a swing account and looking for one trade a day or a few days. Can you suggest something, Phidias? I can hold one NQ overnight. Okay. Man, that's hard because right now I don't see any swing opportunities. I mean, hold on, I'm gonna have to zoom out. I'm gonna do it on my main monitor here. You guys won't see it, but zooming out. I mean, gold could be a swing opportunity. We have highs up at 620, 620s, give or take. I mean, if you catch a decent pullback on gold, you could possibly get a swing. It kind of depends. I'm not. I don't really see anything worth swinging at the moment, though. Just curious, how to use ATR? It just helps me gauge like volatility, right? You know, if I'm looking at gold and we have like a 15.1 minute ATR on gold, then that tells me that volatility is pretty high, right? And so I don't want to over leverage myself when we have an extremely high ATR. So if we have a high ATR, that tells me that I need to probably size down and widen stop a little bit, right? Size down, widen stop. Because if I over leverage, if I trade my normal size than what I normally trade, then I'm probably going to be in the hole if the trade goes against me, and I'm not going to want to be that deep red, right? So it just tells me how fast price is moving, or how much price is moving, and then I can get a gauge on like how big I want to trade. We got some selling coming in here on gold. Hopefully that answered your question. But I use it for gold. I use it for NASDAQ. I use it everywhere. It just gives me like a total, like a 30-foot thousand view on how much volatility is in the market. Because if you have a higher ATR, you know, and you're running tight stops, chances are your stop's going to get smacked. And so you want to have wider stops, but you don't want to trade the same size with wider stops. You want to position size yourself accordingly to, you know, the volatility in the market. A lot of people don't realize that too. A lot of people don't realize that. They approach each day trading the same position size they do the previous days, right? Not realizing that volatility can fluctuate. And so they come in trading the same position size and end up cooking the accounts because they didn't realize volatility was as high as it was. Oh, Mario's giving us a story. All right. I was on the subway, had to take the elevator up. So this lady backs into me. She says, "Excuse me." I said, "Don't worry about it." Jokingly, my kids hit me hard in that. I even laughed. She proceeds to give me a full lecture on manners and that she's an adult, not a child. Wow. Yeah, tell her to chill out, bro. Tell her to chill out. So the past few days, that means ATR was high due to that volatility. The gold ATR has been, volatility has been high. ATR has been high on gold. For sure. There's been a lot of volatility. It's been a weird market, chat. It's been really weird. It's like we don't have volatility and then all of a sudden we do. It's like, it's just a weird market. And that's the thing about being a trader too, is like each day can be very different from the next, right? You just have to approach each day with a clean slate, have an idea of what news is going on in the world, have an idea of key levels, right? But each day is approached very differently because the volatility can be different. You know, you might come in trading a lot smaller size than what you do previously because of the volatility. So it just depends. Like this market's crazy. A lot of changes. Jeez, Mario, you did have an eventful evening. Holy, bro. You good? Are you good, bro? Did you have an eventful day? Part of me wants to take a long hair chat on this pullback. But I don't know how deep this is going to go. I mean, we got room down to, all the way down in the 90s, but we are retesting 5,000s here. Maybe we get, gold is moving kind of odd here. I'm going to set a limit order to buy down here. I don't want anything above that. We'll have a stop in place. That's about a 10-point move right there. If we can, if gold decides to come down to here, I'll enter in long there, but I don't want anything above that. So we'll just set the order there. And we got about a 11-point stop. So I got that set, chat. Let me know if it gets hit. I'm gonna be right back, chat. Be right back. BRB. Hey, Sean Chicago Kings in the building. What's up? BRB, chat. Oh, chat, we got filled. Holy. We got filled, baby. We are long gold. What's the contract for? Yeah, it's on gold. We are filled in our gold long. We got filled at 95. We're trying to get back above 5,000s here. So if we can get back above 5,000s and let this thing run, beautiful. Beautiful. What's the reason for the buy? An absolute mega uptrend. I mean, look at this. Gold's on an uptrend. So I'm trying to find a pullback to get in on. We got it. This was the pullback. And now we're long. So we'll see if gold will move us here to the upside. So far, looking decent. Looking decent. We just need it to hold. Need it to hold. We need buyers, baby. We need buyers. We need the buyers, baby. Chat, bring the buyers. We were able to get filled just under 5,000, chat. So if we can just hold 5,000, we're solid. We are solid on this trade. We just got to hold 5,000. Beautiful. Beautiful. Beautiful, 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 chat. Let's get this thing running here, baby. Let's get this thing running. Get this thing running, baby. New Green Day incoming. This is on prop account, Chris. I'm not trading my personal. This is only on prop. My personal is locked up until tomorrow. Only trading prop during Asia here. Personal account, we're gonna keep locked up until tomorrow morning, just to keep the green in the account for today. For TRADEIFY, is microgrow ticker not? No, it's MGCJ. Gold. The contracts for gold rolled over. All right, gold's still running here for us. Joe, when you start your personal account, you trade in just one micro? Oh no. I started my personal account with 25,000, and I was trading 5 micros to start, like 3 to 5 micros or so. Chat, I'm gonna try to let this thing run. I'm gonna try to take out the highs here. We're gonna be a little greedy. Now my personal account, I trade a mini. We've grown the personal account to $75,000 from 25,000. So we're gonna I am sized up a little bit in the personal at this point. Come on, buyers, let's go take out the high here. Let's go take out the high, baby. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful. See, we're about 20 points. Yeah, we'll go to break even. Just above it here. No sense in letting this thing turn around and go red on us. So we are just above break even there. We'll see if this thing wants to go take out these highs. That's what we're holding out for here, is these highs. No drawdown. No, I took some drawdown. I took a little bit. I got filled at 95 and I took about 5 points of drawdown, which is not bad. We took about 5 points of drawdown in this trade, and we're up about 20. We're up about 20. I would like to see this thing take out the highest, chat. I mean, I'm really trying to hold out for it. Part of me says take it off, but my target's the highest, bro. My target's the highest, so I'm gonna stick with it. My trading TradeFi, another prop firm. No, these are my TradeFi accounts right now. These are the TradeFi accounts. Come on, gold. Give me the highs, give me the highs, give me the highs. Give me the highs, baby. Still pulling back here. We need this to hold 5,000, chat. Need it to hold 5,000. This could be a way to add into the position too, just adding in on a pullback. But I'm going to hold off because this thing's really dipping here. We might get top break even, chat. Wowzers. We just might get tapped here. This is a pretty steep pullback. Need buyers to hold us here because we're coming back down to test 5,000. Buyers really got to hold us. Buyers really got to hold us. Come on, baby, come on. Nice, Mario. Cactum options, hello. How much point for stop loss do you use with gold? I try to go off market structure, but it also depends on like if there's not market structure or if market structure is too far away, then I'll go by points, which then that depends on my position size too, honestly. Right now the stop that I had on this trade was about 10 points in gold, but I'm only trading 1 micro. So it just depends. It changes. I don't really have a set deal. It's just kind of like what's market structure, what's my size, what am I willing to risk? Like there's a lot to take into account there. Kind of a loaded question, honestly. What up, Roman? How you doing, G? Come on, buyers. SL tapped. What's up? Can't say hello to the crew. You dang right you did. You dang right you did, Roman. Hey Roman, go find the buyers for gold, bro. I need you. Need your help. I need your help. I need you to go find all the buyers for gold. You're in a long silver? Oh no. Oh no. Well, what's silver doing? I don't know what silver's doing right now. All right. Buyers still trying to come back in. Buyers trying to come back in here, chat. We need them to move, baby. We need them to move. We need them to move. We need buyers to just send it. Oh, that's not what you want. That's not what you want. Rutro. Come on, buyers. Come on, buyers. Do it to them. Am I a long gold? Yes, I am long gold. I am in a long ski, but sellers are toying with my feelings right now. Sellers are toying with my feelings, chat. They're toying with my feelings. Come on, buyers. I feel like buyers have it in them, bro. They just need to take a scoop of pre-workout. Take a scoop of pre-workout and just send it. Just absolutely full send it, baby. Boocious, what up, dude? How you doing, man? Tighten their ranges more and more. We can see a big move happen tonight. Market starts looking for price discovery. Good. We could trying to man. Part of me is like, yo, dude, take this off. But chat, I'm gonna be honest, my sights are really locked on these highs up here. I'm really locked in on it, chat. I'm really locked in. Buyers trying to come back in, need a pop. 16s, get back above 22s, we'll be all right. These ranges are annoying. Let's get moving facts, dude. So annoying. Like, bro, you've been on an uptrend. Why are we ranging? You gave me a good entry, right? You filled me on a great spot. Now let's just go. Let's just get a move on. Stop toying with my emotions, bro. Simdia, buyers incoming. I hope so. Did you send out a newsletter, Simdia? Send out a postcard? Tell them to all buy? Send out a letter in the mail? All right, now give me a pop of these highs here. Give me a pop of the highs, baby. It's what we want. Give me what I want. I guess Simdia did send out a newsletter or something telling people to buy because he just said buyers incoming and then buyers just straight up came in. So Simdia, I don't know what you did, bro, but keep doing it. Send out more postcards, something. Send out more postcards. Keep the buyers flowing in, baby. Keep them flowing. All right, Trend 21, we gotta pop these highs, chat. We gotta pop these highs. Since you're a real postcard. Need the highs to pop, baby. Need the highs to pop. The patience is real, chat. The patience is real. If I can get a pop of the highs, I will move my stop to these highs. Give me a pop of the highs, I will move my stop up there. And then anything extra that it gives me is just extra. All right. There we go. There we go. Now let her ride, baby. Keep her on going. My stop's up there at 21, chat. So if it comes back down below the highs, it'll tap me out. But we're just going to let it ride at this point. Let it ride, let it ride, let it ride. Absolute banger trade too. We're up 30 points, chat. 30 points on gold. Just one micro. One micro, we're up about 30 points. Gonna try to let this thing go. If it comes back down below that previous high there, it will tap me out for profit. So we're hands off, stress free, letting it ride, baby. Chat, we've been killing Asia streams. We've been absolutely crushing them. We've been absolutely crushing them. Taking some banger trades. And Jinka says, finally a stream that ain't an AI bot nor a 2-minute delay. Got you. All right, chat, we're tapped. Boom. Bang, bang. There it is. W trade. W trade. That was we made $281 there off just one micro. Trading gold. I mean, W, right? W. We had a killer entry, bro. We had a killer entry. What was it? 95? I think so. Yeah. Our entry was at, oh, now it's going to keep going. Our entry was at 95. We set a limit order down here. Price came down and tapped us in. So we got a really good entry. We only took 5 points of drawdown, chat. We only took 5 points of drawdown to make about, roughly 25 points. So, I mean, what is that, a 4R trade, chat? Crazy. Boosh, appreciate you. Cherry 007, Roman, Chris, Shahid, Simdia, Bielka, appreciate you. Thanks to the W's. W's. All right, so all my TRADEIFY accounts now are sitting nice. We're up 281 for Asia session. And that's across all 5 accounts. Personal account is locked out. We're not trading the personal account. We're keeping that locked up as we secure the bag for what we made today, and then we'll trade the personal account again tomorrow. So the TRADEIFY accounts are sitting real pretty, baby. It's a candle, chat. I'm telling you, it's the candle. The candle brings the gold vibes. All right, candles on screen, candles on desk. We're good. Love to see me trading gold. I like trading gold, man. I really do. It's especially during like Asia session, just because Nasdaq's not really moving, as much as gold does. So we can take some good gold trades there. It's a gold candle too. The other inside, yeah. Oh wow, look at that exit, chat. Catching some sellers coming back down here. Can you explain what I mean by points? So yeah, futures contracts, right? They move in points, not dollars, right? So right now, on that trade I took, the trade I took was at 4,995, right? And we ran all the way up to, what we run up to? About 28 or so. So that's about 33 points, chat? That's it, or 30, roughly 30, a little over 30 points. So it moves in points, not dollars. But each point has a certain dollar amount to it. That is true. I forget. Yeah, it is true. Let me retract that. Yes, for metals like gold, it is actually dollars. Nasdaq points. So I retract that statement. That's the spot price of gold. Yeah, I know. I got you. I got you. Chat, we are, let's go look at, oh, is NASDAQ moving? What's NASDAQ doing? Speaking of NASDAQ. Speaking of Nazi-poo. NASDAQ's catching a little bit, oh, what just happened? NASDAQ's catching a little bit of sellers here. NASDAQ has a key level here, chat. Be what I'm watching here for us to push through. If we can push through that, maybe find a long down in here, catch the move back. But I would love to have that sweep there if we can get it. Ooh, look at gold, baby. Look at gold. Gold back moving again to the upside. I mean, actually cooking to the upside. Wowzers. Wow. Chat, look at gold. Holy. Gold just shot up to 5,035s, bro. Wow. Wow. Secured alpha payout number 3 from that one account. GG's, baby. Holy. Love to see that. You absolutely love to see it. Congrats, G. Gold is flying, bro. It is. Gold is absolutely flying. I mean, insanely. Chat, as a reminder, so we have more people in here. We are doing giveaways tonight. For the people that use code JM at TRADEIFY, for January, we're doing y'all's giveaway tonight. All right. That'll be for a straight to funded account. And then for everybody in the YouTube chat, we're also doing a giveaway for all you guys as well. So everybody in the YouTube chat, we're all doing a giveaway for you. And that'll be for, I haven't decided yet, but it'll be for some TRADEIFY account. Whatever that looks like. I don't know what it's going to be yet. But we'll do the giveaway for you guys here in the chat, and then the giveaway for everybody else that used code JM. So speaking of that, chat, if you do want to be entered for straight to funded giveaways, make sure to, if you buy an account at TRADEIFY, just use code JM. Send me a screenshot of that in Discord, and that'll enter you for a straight to funded account, right? You don't want to miss it. If you're going to buy an account, you might as well be entered for a straight to funded account in the process, right? You might as well be entered for a straight to funded account in the process, baby. Because I have the accounts to give away. We haven't done the January drawing yet. No, that'll be later on tonight. Chat, there's the link for Discord. You're gonna want to be in there for the giveaways that we do. So hop on in, baby. Hop on in. Look at gold. Gold is still flying. Best Discord, yo, facts. I feel like our Discord we do have one of the best. In terms of like, now we are a smaller community, obviously, but like in terms of like the quality of people that we have in the Discord server of wanting to get better at trading and wanting to make money, there's no drama. Like everybody's there, like trying to roll in some serious dough. You know what I mean? We're all on the same mission, right? Everybody in my Discord is all on the same mission. So we don't have any drama. So I think as far as like the quality of server goes, it's probably one of the best. I'll actually pin the Discord link if you guys want to hop in. Stepped away and gold left you? Yeah, I did. It did. And all 17 of Joey's accounts will be your friend. Yeah, chat. When you do join Discord, know there are people that try to impersonate me. Just know that if you receive a friend request from me, it's not me. Or if you receive a message from me, it's not me. I will not send you a friend request or message you first. So if that happens to you and once you join, it's not me. Just 17. I know. It feels like there's a ton of them. Is gold this violent? Why are they calling oil widowmaker and then gold can do it? Yeah, gold, I mean, gold's been pretty violent as of late, yeah. Chat. Gold's turning up, chat. Gold is turning up, baby. Holy. Gold is turning up. That's the 8 p.m. open, baby. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Give us that volatility. Give us the volatility, baby. Wowzers. Gold all of a sudden took an energy drink, chat. Gold all of a sudden took an energy drink. I would take one right now. I would drink a Celsius right now, but I'm not going to sleep the rest of the night if I do that. And your boy needs sleep, bro. I really do. Your boy needs sleep. All right, well, chat. Let this movement kind of chill out a little bit. If he was still in that trade, he'd been wiped. Yeah, I'd have been oof, brutal, brutal, baby. This is so past my bedtime. My bedtime's coming up in like an hour, chat. You're still drinking your iced coffee. Mama Bear. Look. I don't know if you made it a point to point out that it was ice, but you could have just said you're drinking your coffee. You know what I mean? It could have just been, yo, I'm still drinking my coffee. We don't do iced coffee in this community, chat. All right. Iced coffee is banned in this community. Okay. That's like the one rule I have in this community, chat, is no iced coffee, bro. That's the rule. It's ice in your Yeti. Oh no. Oh no, chat. We need to get rid of that Yeti. Says the guy holding an iced coffee in his YouTube profile. Don't you judge me, Mama Bear. Don't you come up in here with that energy. You don't know me. Who you think you talking to, huh? How you know it's not? How you know it's mine? Maybe I was holding it for my wife, chat. Hold on. Holy, bro. Crazy. Holding it like I owned it. Listen, I might have owned it. I might have drank it. Look, I might have drank all of it too, bro. And you know what? It might have been tasty. but it's still banned in this community. Okay. Yo, gold is insane right now, bro. Gold is now trying to move right back up and make new highs. Gold be wildin', chat. It be wildin'. It be wildin' a little bit. I will say, chat, if you guys aren't following the Instagram, bro, I would encourage you to do so because I am going to be posting. I'm getting very active on Instagram. At first, I really wasn't, I wasn't really active on it. But as of late, I've been getting real active on Insta and I've been enjoying it. So, and I'm gonna be posting a lot on there as far as like levels go, some nice skit content, reels, all this stuff. I'm upping production value in all of my content. So you're gonna want to like just be there, bro. Trust me, just be there. I got some stuff coming, bro. So if you're not following on Instagram, there's the link. Link in the chat to do so. Holy, that's right. That is right. Holy, bro. Gold is just absolutely cooking, chat. Wow. Wow. What are we going to do about it, chat? I mean, it just is not stopping. Just buy and close your eyes. Facts. I mean, you really could. You could literally just close your eyes, click the buy button, and you'd do all right. You would do all right. T305 says short squeeze in gold. 5100 in play. 5100 is definitely in play. We could definitely get there ASAP. ASAP Rocky. If it keeps its way, maybe by Friday we recovered it all. Maybe. Maybe. I mean, bro, I gotta adjust my screen because it just keeps going. It just keeps on going, baby. That's how everyone else trades. That's what I do. You just close your eyes and click buy. I like it. Pretty solid strat. I'm curious on the win rate there. I am curious on the win rate, bro. Also, chat, if you're not already subbed, bro, what are you even doing, dog? Listen, I don't know why you wouldn't be subbed. I mean, we stream morning sessions, we stream Asia sessions. We've been crushing the Asia sessions and making money, chat. You guys have seen the past Asia sessions. We've been just dominating the markets, right? Grabbing the markets by the throat. So I don't even know why you wouldn't want to be subbed. I mean, we're on a 46-day green streak in my personal account. I show all that live here on YouTube. I don't understand why you wouldn't want to be. You know what I mean? We give some entertainment. We give some good trading content. Like, it's just, I mean, do you want to make money or not, chat? Huh? This is the channel where we make money. Okay? We make money here. This is where money's made. So if you're not subbed, you don't want to make money. Period. Period. I want to see dollar signs and nothing else. You know what I mean? That's right, Bielka. That's right. You're only here for the candle? This candle? The vibes? Financial advisor? Hell no, Brian. Listen, ain't nothing you see on here is financial advice. Even though we making some money, we doing well. I listen, nothing I say on here is financial advice. That candle smells nice, we stay. Listen, bro, it's the vibe, I'm telling you. It's the vibes. Does New York IB carry over into the Asia markets? Yes. I use the New York's, I do use New York IB levels during Asia. Some people use new IB. I use New York IB just because I like to see as confluence from the previous session there. So that's just how I do it. Other people do it differently. Just kind of depends on what you want to do, what works for you. Everything works differently for everybody. What works for me may not work for you. You dig, bro? Let's do duck race. We will in a minute. We will in a minute. Chat, my cat is underneath my fucking desk and he just bit my foot. Mi gato debajo. Wait. Mi gato está debajo la mesa. Did I say that right? For all my Spanish speakers. And he bit my fucking foot, chat. Oh. De la works as well. That's it. De la. Yeah, I did not say de la. Yeah. My cat's about to catch his hands, bro, because he just bit my foot and I don't like it. Am I gonna have a second house in Mexico? No. Although I might have one in Florida soon. For all my Floridians. Possibility that I do in Florida. For all my Floridians, I'm actually exploring ways to move to Florida, to be honest with you. My wife and I have been kind of exploring it. I don't know if it happens, but it's something we're exploring. For all my South Floridians. Better tax rates in Florida, yeah. So I was thinking if we do, like, I'll probably just clear out the house I have here, get like a moving truck, I'd probably hire a moving company, to be honest with you. Just hire a moving company, take all the important shit that we need, throw everything else out, and then just go down and rent a house in Florida. I think that's what we would do. Rent a house in Florida while we sell this one. Once this one gets sold, then we look for another house to buy. But if I do, it's going to be down in like the Pompano, Fort Lauderdale area. Lived in Orlando for 2 years. Nice. You love St. Pete? I'm a big South Florida guy. I love Miami, Pompano, Fort Lauderdale, pretty much that whole like southern coast there. Enzo Trader says, I love it here. I moved from Texas in 89. Ooh, baby. Gold is still on a ripper, chat. Heard St. Augustine is nice. Yeah, it just depends, man. It depends. We'll see what happens. I would love to do it. I would love to make the move. We're exploring it, chat. We're exploring it. We'll see. We'll see, baby. Gold is not one to stop, man. I don't know that we're gonna get another entry on gold, chat. Gold is moving. I think the entry that we took, the long that we took, is gonna be a wrap for gold. Nasdaq's really just moving sideways. Nothing really happening on Nasdaq here. Yeah, nothing happening on Nas. Gold just is a train to the upside. So this is what I was saying earlier, chat, is like gold, once it moves, it starts moving. Like you hardly get entries on gold. St. Augustine's amazing. Y'all gonna make me look at St. Augustine. Where is that at? Is that South Florida? Everybody's saying St. Augustine, bro. Bielka, yes, it is on IG. May have to scroll a little bit, but yeah, my setup is somewhere on there. Oh, just south of Jacksonville. Yeah, that's like the northern part. I want to be in like the South Florida. Like South Florida, chat. Why are you trading at this time? I don't know. I wanted to. I wanted to. Plus, my community, all you guys have been enjoying the Asia stream, so I might as well, right? East or West Coast? It would be the East Coast. Miami, Pompano, Fort Lauderdale, that whole area. How's the weather over there in South Florida? Nice. It's fucking beautiful out there. Like in the South Florida right now, it's like in the 70s. They have a 70-degree winter. No snow there, yeah. Facts. But chat, listen, when I was in Miami for the event, there was one night where it got in the 30s, bro, in Miami. It was 30 degrees in Miami, bro. Think about that for a second. Miami, 30 degrees. And let me tell you, the cold weather in like Miami and Pompano, all that area, when you're next to the ocean, bro, that cold hits different. I mean, it is different, dude. It was windy, it was cold, and it gets cold where I live. You know what I mean? It gets cold where I live, but something about like that Miami 30 degrees. It's a different type of 30 degrees, chat. It really is. It's moist, air cold. Yeah. I mean, dude, it hits different for sure. It really does. I mean, I wasn't outside very long, but it's like even like the hotel that I was staying at, right? Because they have like they have like glass doors going to the hotel, and the lobby, right, where it's like they have a big open lobby. It's a huge hotel, Chaz. It's a Diplomat that I stayed at. Massive hotel, really nice. like they don't have heaters in there. So it's like the entire lobby or the bar or the restaurant is, it was all cold in there because they don't have heaters. It's fucking Miami. They're not used to having 30-degree weather, so they don't got heaters in there. So it was insane, dude. Absolutely insane. Speaking of, I will actually be in Pompano and Fort Lauderdale at the end of April, chat. I don't know if any of you guys are down there, but end of April, I will be down in Pompano and Fort Lauderdale. I'll be in Baltimore, chat. I'll be in Baltimore mid-April, and then I'll be in Pompano at the end of April. Small village called New York. I don't know about small village, but yeah. All right, chat. Y'all want to do some giveaways, dude? I feel like we should do some giveaways. What do y'all think? Y'all ready? The JM Holy Moly World Tour? Facts, bro. Facts. Approved. Y'all all ready? Do I have y'all's permission to do a giveaway? As long as I have y'all's permission to do a giveaway, you know what I mean? All right, chat. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do the giveaway for everybody here in the YouTube chat, and then after this giveaway, we will do the giveaway for everybody that use code JM at TRADEIFY. Let's see. Let me get. Let's see, get the codes here for what. All right, chat. I think we're gonna do 150K select account, chat. So this giveaway, we're gonna do 150K select account. That's what we're gonna do. So if you're not in Discord, hop in Discord, because you have to type the keyword in Discord, chat. In Discord, there's a channel called Stream Giveaway, right? There's a Stream Giveaway channel in Discord. What you're going to type as the keyword, and chat, the Discord link is pinned in the comments there. What you're gonna type, yeah, Mario, you damn right you won't. I was wondering, bro. I was wondering. Because we got a candle in here in the office chat, right? What we're gonna do, keyword that you'll type inside Discord Stream Giveaway channel is candle vibes. Type that in the Stream Giveaway channel there in Discord. To be entered for 150K select account with TRADEIFY. Only type it once because any duplicates will be deleted, chat. They'll all be deleted if they're duplicates. So only type it once. You gotta type it in Discord, chat. In Discord, link in the pinned comment. Type it in Discord in the Stream Giveaway channel. All one word. Give you guys like a few more seconds here. While y'all are doing that, again, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, man. We're live every single day here at New York Open and during Asia streams. So if you want to catch those streams, bro, hit that subscribe button. We are probably one of the more transparent channels here. You see all my trades live. We're on a 46-day green streak in the personal account. I show all of that live here. You're in the right spot, man. You're in the right spot. So if you're not already subbed, hit that sub button, baby. Right, again, in case you didn't see the messages, because I don't want you to take it in a disrespectful way, that approved is a sound host always used on TTV and everyone loves it. Not bad. I'm confused, Chris. To be honest, I don't know what you're talking about. I don't know what you mean, brother. All right. Okay, let me grab all these names here. Chat, everybody, seems like everybody's entered. Yeah. All right, let me grab these names. Let me get a clean list of it here, and then we'll start this duck race, dude. All right, I'm gonna add these last few here, chat, and then that's it. These last few here, and then that is it. All right, chat, last one here. Boom. All right, chat, this is for a 150K select account. Again, if you're not subscribed, be sure to hit that subscribe button. This giveaway is for the people in the YouTube chat, and then we have one more giveaway to do after this for everybody that use code JM. Panda Life. If you don't see your name, it's because you didn't type it in the Discord giveaway channel. All right, chat. This is for the 150K select account. TRADEIFY. Good luck, baby. Hold on. Let's get this set. Let me turn up the volume here so we get all the duck sounds. Chat, this is where preparation meets opportunity. If you didn't train your duck, I don't know what you're even doing. We do this every single day pretty much that I stream. So if you're not constantly training your duck, bro, I don't even know what you're doing, to be honest. But this is where preparation meets opportunity. This is where all your hard work pays off to win a free account with TRADEIFY. Right? I wish you the best of luck. May the odds be ever in your favor. Good luck. Here we go, baby. We off. We off for a 150K select account with TRADEIFY. We got Joyce Fernandez taking the lead right out the rip. We got Caterpillar Trader. We got Cal Bielka looking like a Bielka. Look at Bianca looking like a bumblebee. Holy. Look at Cal. Look at I Trade. Tutti Frutti. Tutti Frutti scooting the booty, baby. Holy. Look at Trader 007. We got Roman Arts. We got Zimze Trades. We got Nano MX. We got Iram. Liquidity Legend. Holy. Holy. Edge Engine. Roman Arts. Look at Fade the Spike trying to take the lead here. Look at Fade the Spike. Fade the Spike taking the lead. We got Redneck Trades. Scott Million. Mama Bear. Redneck. Nano. Holy, it is absolutely anybody's duck. If you don't see your duck, it's because your duck is in dead last place because it's fat and out of shape. So if you don't see your duck, it's because it's in dead fucking last and not even on the screen because you didn't train it properly. That's on UG. Look at Liquidity Legend. We got Ninzi. We got Mabale. Nano's in the lead, holy. Look at Nano. Oh, bet on it, guy. You're up at the very top trying to gain some steam. Look at bet on it, guy. Look at bet on it, guy. Holy. Bet on it, guy was asking where his duck is, and now all of a sudden he is trying to take the lead. Look at him. Look at him go. The tail feathers are absolutely wagging, chat. The tail feathers are wagging. Somebody lost a tail feather. It's floating along the stream, baby. Holy. Look at Tuxedo Flux. Gringo Loco. We got Simdia. Deba Deep. Look at Tutti Frutti. Tutti Frutti is maintaining the lead, baby. Holy. Who's it gonna be? Who's it gonna be? Who's it gonna be? Look at Franks. Chat, look at Nizzy. Who's Nizzy? Hold on, who is Nizzy? Look at Nizzy. Boom, baby. Nizzy, are you in the chat? Nizzy. Nizzy, talk to me. Are you here? Nizzy. For Shizzy, man. Nizzy, all right, Nizzy, send me a message in Discord and I'll get you a code for 150K select count. But send me that message in Discord. All right, now for the people that use code JM in the month of January. Hold on, let me. Hold on. Where are all my names? There they are. All right, hang on, chat. I forgot to get all the names here, so hang on. This take me just a second. I gotta copy all these names over. Actually, you know what? I wonder. Actually, no, we're gonna have to do Wheel of Names for this, chat. So we're gonna have to do the Wheel of Names for this one. Let me get this pulled up here. So if you use code JM at TRADEIFY in January, this will be for you guys. All right, let me get these names copied over, chat. Let's take me just like 1 minute. Meanwhile, if you're not already subbed, you should be. So take me just a split second, chat. Hang on. Bear with me, baby. If you use code JM at TRADEIFY, this is for you. Chat, I'm almost done. I forgot to do this before the stream. That's my bad, chat. Hang on. We're almost done. And we got one more. All right, here we go. So If you use code JM at TRADEIFY and you sent me a screenshot of using code JM, then you're entered for this. Remember, multiple entries. If you buy multiple accounts, it gets you multiple entries for those. So, and we are running this for. We are also running this for February as well, chat. So if you do use code JM at TRADEIFY in the month of February, send me a screenshot of that in Discord, and that'll enter you for literally a straight to funded account, right? Straight to funded account. All you gotta do is send me a screenshot, right? All right, chat. Good luck. Good luck, good luck, good luck, good luck, good luck. We're gonna spin it real fast. And the straight to fund account goes to S. Davis. The odds were in his favor because he had like 7 entries. S. Davis, shoot me a message in Discord and I'll give you that straight to funded account. Shoot me a message in Discord. I'll send you a code. Bang, bang, chat. All right. On that note, bro, I'm going to call it a night. I'm going to get ready, finish up some stuff. I got to edit some content and then go to bed. So on that note, chat, appreciate you hanging out with me. We made some money on the Asia stream. We did well. We crushed gold. Appreciate you guys tuning in with me. We'll be live again tomorrow morning at market open. So be sure you're subscribed to catch that live stream. We'll be trading the personal account and trying to make it a 47-day green streak, chat. Can we do it? Holy. Ciao. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning.